But yeah, I may take a play here. Maybe if we come back into this order block once more. But definitely potential. The thing is that I like how we're coming higher back into this fair value gap, but I kind of don't like it at the same time. I kind of want to see us like have a clean retracement from it, which we kind of are, but we also have this high resting rate above here. I'm not sure. And I feel like if we take out this high on NQ, we would want to manipulate this structure on ES. Or like low-key coming out of structure on ES right here. Alright, let's look. So we displaced, we came back into here. I'm not gonna lie, let's see, let's check out in the 1 minute if we have any, I guess, entry confluences that we could use. The thing is that I just don't see any entries. Like this is, I already know this is a great move coming out into this like internal liquidity. Just don't see any like thing we can enter from. Genuinely.
Oh, okay. Do tell.
Yeah. Hey guys, I don't know. I can't see anything to enter from. Of course, like right now, I mean, we're not even into macro yet, so I'm not gonna rush anything. But do want to see ES pull back one more time. Like, even though we did come into this 5-minute order block, bruh. Feel like I missed the move on ES. Yeah, it's just so choppy, bro. Alright, we're gonna hope for one more pullback. I'm gonna hope for one more pullback here on NQ or ES. Actually, most likely ES. As we come into this macro. Yeah. Can you guys hear me okay? So ES looks like it wants to lead right now. May take this play on NQ. I would take a sell position on NQ. And one moment, let's just check ES one more time. Alright.
Order filled.
Take a sell position on Q. I would keep my stops like relatively. I feel like this is pretty good. And it's just 200 per con. Very low leverage play. Simply because it like the chop in the market is crazy right now. Let's see to take it to this internal liquidity. NQ's chopping pretty bad, but ES is like dumping. See, this is like the move I kind of wanted to take on ES here. I want to see ES hit this internal liquidity. We're into macro now. Let's see if NQ can just follow ES down. Looks like ES may want to go ahead and follow NQ. I'm going to place probably another con. Pretty confident.
Order filled.
Position. size. Doesn't look like ES needs to pull back to anything. Hopefully we can just ride it down to this internal liquidity for macro. What I'm looking for here is kind of this accumulation zone, kind of engineering this liquidity right now. Us coming higher, finding some displacement, right? This move is really on ES though. Finding some displacement between this accumulation zone, right? Displacement from these equal lows, right? Came back into this 5-minute order block. Hopefully we can have price come down to this internal liquidity, and hopefully NQ can just follow as the lagging index. Hopefully we can use this as an inverse fair value gap right here, and kind of push lower. Then we have some like small yellow footer news at 10 a.m. that could possibly help us out. May just want to come, may kind of get cooked here. Volatility factors just looking out there, bro. But we'll stick it out. I don't know.
Order filled.
Alright. Just got taken out to play. It just sucks. So definitely only wanted to take out this low, which I should have just went for an ES. That sucks. Yeah, so definitely not enough volatility to push us lower, no doubt. Could definitely see this low pushing lower. I did risk the position amount as I would on 2 plays, so that's probably going to be like last trade of the day though. We definitely want to take out this high NQ. There's no freaking doubt. I mean, on a 5-minute here, we're still kind of within that structure, which is unfortunate. I thought that this would be actually displacement from these equal lows here, us just continuing lower, which we probably could be in later in the day, but it's just the way it is, man. That's how it plays out on these low volatile, like these low volume days. Alright, scratch that. Actually, let me screenshot. Yeah, NQ does not know what to do with this fair value gap right here. Or give it to 10 a.m. just to see what happens at 10 a.m. No doubt we could be coming lower, but I don't think I'm going to take another play, you know, if we do even come lower. Because it looks like we're just catching more liquidity just to push us lower in the market. Like, no doubt we're coming towards these levels. It's just a matter of volume. Definitely want to take out this high again. Of course we did. But then all these equal lows. Definitely could have gone for my nearer draws. Looks like this is the move now that we're gonna come lower. Coming up to 10 a.m. here. Days like these, you kind of just gotta. Days like these are annoying, but it comes with the journey, bro. Because I mean, the model's it's clearly there, bro. It's just then you gotta think about other factors like market conditions, market volatility. Do we have enough volume to push price to its draw that it wants to go towards? You know, all these are considering factors. You know, each day is a different day in a sense for, I guess, the market, but I guess that's clear, but I don't know. Like, no doubt I can see us pushing lower today. And we're going to continue to, but it's just a matter of time. It's literally A+, but tweeze what a tweeze. I wouldn't say A+ because the market conditions, but technical wise, it's A+. Alright, but I'm done for today though. I lost enough for like the 2 trades that I would take. So I guess decently risk managed for 2 contracts. But regardless, I can see us pushing lower in the day. It's just a matter of volatility within the day. But that's all for today, though. I'll see y'all tomorrow. And we're still in the beginning of the week, so this don't mean nothing. All right. Journal up, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.